Welcome back to Financial Wise. Today, we have an exciting topic that can truly transform your financial life. We're going to talk about how to turn liabilities into assets, step by step. If you're ready to take control of your finances and build wealth, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we can turn liabilities into assets, we need to understand what liabilities are. Liabilities are financial obligations or debts. This includes things like credit card debt, student loans, car loans, and mortgages. First of all, access your current financial situation. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. This gives you a clear starting point. Before you can turn liabilities into assets, you need a clear understanding of your current financial state. Gather all your financial documents and create a snapshot of your financial situation, including total debt, credit cards, loans, mortgages, etc., monthly income and expense assessing, asset savings, investments, real estate, credit score, and credit report. The next step is create budget. Develop a comprehensive budget that tracks your income and expenses. Be detailed and include all expenditures. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and allocate those savings toward debt reduction and asset building. Creating a budget to turn liabilities into assets is a strategic financial plan aimed at reducing or eliminating your debt and redirecting your resources toward investments or other income-generating opportunities. The goal is to improve your overall financial health by converting financial liabilities into valuable assets. Build emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that individuals or households set aside to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It is essentially a savings account designated for the sole purpose of providing financial security in times of need. The primary goal of an emergency fund is to protect you from having to resort to high-interest debt or selling assets when unexpected costs arise, such as medical bills, car repairs, job loss, or home repairs, before aggressively paying down debt. Ensure you have a small emergency fund in place, usually equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This prevents you from accumulating more debt in case of unexpected expenses. The next step is paying down high-interest debt. Pay more than the minimum monthly payments on high-interest debt, while making at least minimum payments on other debts. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfers to reduce interest rates, if possible. Explore debt repayment strategies like the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debts first. The most important steps is invest in income-generate assets. Here's where the magic happens. Take the money you free up from paying off high-interest debt and invest it in income-generating assets. This can include real estate, dividend stocks, or starting a side business once high-interest debt is under control. Use freed-up funds to invest in income-generating assets such as dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks from well-established companies. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Dividends can provide a steady stream of income, and you can reinvest them to compound your returns. Real estate. Real estate can be an excellent source of rental income. You can invest in residential or commercial properties, real estate investment trust rights, or crowd-funded real estate projects. Consider factors like location, property condition, and potential for appreciation. Bonds. Bonds are fixed-income securities that pay interest regularly. You can invest in government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds. The interest rate, coupon rate, and creditworthiness of the issuer are essential considerations. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs). These are low-risk, interest-bearing accounts offered by banks, while the returns may be modest. They provide a safe way to generate income Preferred stocks. Preferred stocks are a hybrid between common stocks and bonds. They typically offer higher dividends than common stocks and have a preference in receiving dividends over common shareholders. Annuity. Annuities are financial products offered by insurance companies. They provide regular payments over a specified period or for life. There are different types of annuities, such as immediate annuities and deferred annuities. Dividend ETFs and mutual funds invest in exchange-traded funds. ETFs or mutual funds that focus on dividend-paying stocks or income-generating assets. They offer diversification and professional management. The next step is to diversify your investment. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Consider a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies. Avoid putting all your resources into a single asset class. Here are the steps to diversify your investment with care. Assess risk. Different income-generating assets carry varying levels of risk. Consider your risk tolerance and investment horizon when choosing assets. Research. Conduct thorough research on the assets you're interested in, including historical performance, fees, and potential risks. Set investment goals. Define your financial goals and time horizon. Are you investing for retirement, short-term income, or long-term wealth building? Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or investment professional for personalized guidance. Or make a circle of your friends that are interested in investing and having a money-making mindset. Find ways to increase your income by seeking promotions, additional work, freelance opportunities, or side businesses. The last step is monitor and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. Track your progress toward reducing liabilities and growing assets. Monitor your progress towards reducing liabilities and growing assets. Be flexible and adjust your strategy as needed to stay on track. Congratulations! You now have the tools and knowledge to transform liabilities into assets and secure your financial future. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and watch your wealth grow. Always keep learning and growing on your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Financial Wise for more.